Welcome to the video review of Indigo, the oval-shaped table available in 3 different dimensions as well as a round format. This particular model here, which has a standard height of 75 centimeters, sits at 240 by 120 centimeters. The slightly smaller version has a dimension of 200 by 110 centimeters, while the slightly larger version has a dimension of 300 by 120. The tabletop itself is available in a variety of precious finishes, all which heighten the quality of the table itself with careful workmanship. The base is made from curved metal laminate in the form of wind-filled sails and also alluding to the petals of a flower. There are 3 of these base pieces for both the oval table and the round table. They are placed in an asymmetrical manner, playing with the light and shadows. The slender width of the metal contrasts with the solidity of the tabletop in an impeccable equilibrium. As mentioned before, the tabletop itself is available in a wide range of beautiful finishes. These finishes have their quality heightened thanks to the careful workmanship as well as attention to the rawness of the natural materials. These materials are blockboard wood in rovere o noce americano, ceramic, marble or frosted etched glass. The marble is available in several striking finishes, including Marquinhos as well as Patagonia. The ceramic, which I must say almost perfectly replicates the marble, is also available in Patagonia, which is this beautiful finish that we see here, as well as, for example, the stunning finish of forest green. Now, to the untrained eye, as well as actually the trained eye, one would never say immediately that this table is not actually marble. Now, this here, I must mention again, is a ceramic finish. And the only details which give this away are the fact that it has a straight cut edge, and the edge does not have the same patterns as there are on the top of the table. The curved metal laminate legs are finished with varnish. The legs are also available in a variety of painted finishes, and this model is in the color Sabbia Goffrato or Embossed Sand. This has been the video review on the unique oval table Indigo. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Subscribe for more product reviews and click the bell button to receive notifications about any new postings. Thank you for watching.